kit that coming up very soon. It's a blue and amber lights. It's pretty long set of wires. Just like this. So you will have two lights. Amber and blue goes here. Amber blue goes here. And this is the rest of the wiring if you want to run your wires here. So this is going to here, and I'll show you what goes the rest of it. Every single joint is soldered, so it's going to be very hard to break it apart. So those two goes right here. So amber, blue, amber, blue, amber, blue. So three goes right here, and then goes here, 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 and then you have this kind of connections here if you want to take your side skirt off or something. So it's gonna be either two or one bud with the lots of wires. Amber and blue goes here, and then there's gonna be nothing here because there is really no space, or maybe I will add up later on. And two goes here. The rest of the wiring goes up and inside your hood. So need to drill the holes. It's a 3/4 of a wire. So you're getting these rubber pieces off. You drill the hole, and from inside you putting it through the hole, put the outside, the rubber grommet, and stick it inside. Very easy, very easy.